If you are learning to drive in the UK, roundabouts can seem a little intimidating at first. But don't worry, in this video I will guide you through how to use your indicator correctly at roundabouts. So stick around and let's make roundabout a little less roundabouty. If you're taking first exit, usually left, here is what to do. Signal left before you approach the roundabout. Keep your left signal on the whole time until you exit the roundabout. Nice and simple. You are basically just turn left like at any normal junction. Now if you're going straight ahead, usually second exit, but it can be third or fourth exit as well. Here is what to do. Do not signal on the approach. Enter the roundabout safely and then signal left in front of the last exit before yours to let others know that you are leaving the roundabout. This helps keep things predictable for everyone else on the road. When you are turning right, which is after ahead or 12 o'clock any exit, here is the process. Signal right before you approach the roundabout, use appropriate lane, keep going around the roundabout. In front of last exit before yours, you will signal left and take the exit. It's all about communicating clearly and early. Here's the recap. So left turn, first exit, signal left from the start, straight ahead, no signal in, signal left to exit, right turn, signal right in and signal left to exit. It might seem like a lot at first, but with practice it will become a second nature. Keep calm, take your time, and you will get the hang of roundabouts in no time. So here is the quiz for you. Let me know in comments, if you are going left first exit, which signal will you use? And if you are going ahead third exit, which signal will you use? And lastly, if you are going right fourth exit, which signals you will use. If you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, you can always leave a comment and I will answer that question in my next video. Like, subscribe and safe driving. Peace out.